In this screencast, I'd like to show you the new iReadWrite app from TextHelp Incorporated. It's really exciting to see the traditional publishers of assistive technology begin to create some really innovative apps on the iPad. iReadWrite, which was just recently released, provides a number of supports, which I'll show you in this screencast. It provides text-to-speech, vocabulary support, as well as homonym support as well for students that may have difficulty determining which word to use. It also has a picture dictionary as well with supports so that students who are more inclined or require visual supports can have those as well. So let's give it a test. So here's the basic screen for iReadWrite. On the right hand side is where text entry, and on the left hand side you'll begin to see the word predictions in a moment. I'm going to begin typing a sentence, and the sentence I'm going to type is I went to the supermarket, and you can see that it's predicting already. I'm going to type went, and you see it in the list. One of the nice options is I can just swipe my finger and the word goes in. So I went to the supermarket, and see after 3 letters how it predicted. I have found that the prediction is quite outstanding in this app. In this case, I'm going to use the word buy some eggs. Let's see how it, and you can see what a great job it does. And bacon. And there it is. And now I'm just going to type my period. Now if I want to have this read, I can put my cursor at the beginning and hit the play button.
I went to the supermarket to buy some eggs and bacon.
And it will read it as well. I'm also going to now click on the spell check button, which is the ABC.
Spell checking.
And you'll notice that it turns some of the words blue, which lets me know that these are possible confusable words. In this case, I is correct, but you can see the options down the left-hand side. I'm just clicking on the next button, and you can see that there's a possibility that the student may have conjugated or used the wrong word. I'm going to hit next. That the word to is okay. The is okay. Okay, and now when I get to buy, maybe I'm not sure which one to use. So I'm going to hold my finger down.
One. For pay money for something. I would like to buy those flowers, please.
And you can see that it read the definition and also provided me some picture communication symbols for those students that might need visual supports. Um, and you can see that it popped it in. So it did a really nice job. And I've worked with a number of students that really have tremendous difficulty at the high school level with spelling, and the word prediction worked really well. You'll also notice that you can change the size of the font up to a ½ inch or a 36 point, change the font and the color. And if we click on the gears, you can see that you can also change the voices quite easily. We'll change that to Samantha. You can change the speech background, foreground, and you can set it to have continuous reading, highlight by word, screen reading. I like the swipe to insert, which refers to the word prediction, which is really nice. And you can see some of the other um, features that you can turn on or off in terms of predict next word, check sounds like, which is nice. When I'm done, I can also, some of my ways that I can use this text, I could mail it, message it, send it to Twitter or Facebook, or copy it. I would certainly hope that there would be a print function added to the range of options, which would really round out a very useful and helpful app. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you take a look at iReadWrite. It has some really great features in it that I know your students will enjoy using.